imagine. Accident this number of people. Church pen. No, I said it seems like the man mount the sidewalk like this along here. Airborne shop on the wall over there, so shopping at 2 over peeps. You can shop right in at 2. So you know, for them vehicle stuff like, wow. Right, fortunately, when we go in the hospital, we walk away from the scene. Chop right in a 2 boy. Where people them just forward. Yeah boy. Alright. You can chop right in a 2, brother. Brother, you look, he's a shield. Time it is, my peeps. So what time it is? Oh, this is crazy. Well, that's me some of the people in I'm going to the hospital, so hopefully you know the internal damage or nothing like that. Yeah? Hope we now have no internal damage. So it wasn't unalive when the accident happened. So them can't go to the hospital. Alright, so I'm kind of explaining what going on to the normal police. So apparently him lose control of the vehicle. That's obvious. Him climb this sidewalk. Most likely side of the vehicle hit the
one well good and one the other one no well.
At the door, so like the side like this and it climb, drop over the stuff, drop on the fence. Yeah man, so it's an axiom, people tell you the axiom. Toyota Axio. Traffic light. I don't even know what he said. Traffic. Right now, the one accident because one massive pile up on the road right now. That the accident happened at Church Pen. Yeah, the accident happened at Church Pen, my people. And right now, I'm reaching gutters. I'm still in the traffic, both sides. Still in the traffic right now, my peeps. One accident caused this traffic. You see the good thing about it? The good thing about it is that the driver for the vehicle going to the hospital. I understand, the driver for the vehicle going to the hospital. Look how far, I mean, there's a traffic on both sides. I travel come in from all over in and the traffic was long. And you understand what going on? The accident that happened at the road. The accident don't even happen in the road, brother. The accident, the vehicle off of the road and look for the traffic where it goes. Because people just, you know, are slow down. It's too awkward. Oh my gosh. This is unbelievable. People are just a slow down thing.